With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Our question is, which of the following is a correct statement here? Okay, let us see option 1. Boron is diagonally related to silicon. Let us see. First, we know about what is diagonal relationship. Diagonal relationship is said to exist between certain pairs of diagonally adjacent element. In the second and third periodic period. Second and third period of the periodic table. Diagonal relationship occur because of the direction in the trend of various property as we move across or down the periodic table. Many of the chemical properties of an element are related to the size of element. These pairs are lithium, magnesium, beryllium, aluminium, boron and silicon. Boron and silicon are both semiconductor forming halides that are hydrolyzed in water and have acidic oxide. So from here we can say that statement 1 is correct statement. Let us see statement 2. Elements of third period are known as bridge elements. Bridge elements are elements that belong to the period 2. Here's second period. Bridge elements have acquired the name because of the unique characteristic that elements showcase in the group, and they basically show resemblance properties with elements of the next group, that is element of third period. Okay, show resemblance with third period. This close resemblance can due to several factors such as atomic radius, electronegatividity, polarization of atom, etc. Okay, so for example, beryllium and aluminium, lithium, magnesium, boron, silicon. Okay, so from here we can say that this is not correct statement. Let us see third option. There are 16 groups and 7 periods in extended form of period table or periodic table. Okay, so this statement is also not correct because there are 18 groups and 7 periods in extended form of period table. And fourth statement is fluorine has high electron affinity than chlorine. This statement is also not correct because chlorine has high electron affinity than fluorine because the size of fluorine is small, decreases from left to right inside the period, whereas chlorine has large size to accommodate electrons. Hence, electron affinity of chlorine is more than fluorine. So, statement 1 is the correct statement. So, option 1 is the correct answer of this question here.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.